Hello everyone, this is Shreyash. Today we are going to step into the world of Osint, open source intelligence. Look at the image on the screen and I with the word inside it. That is exactly what we are here to discuss. The ability to see the world, understand global events and uncover hidden truth just by using the information that is publicly available. I'm going to show you how modern investigators use the internet not to just search to gather all the information related to crime and open source intelligence. So, what is the mission? In simple terms, Osint is the art of finding needle in the digital haystack. But Osint doesn't work alone. Look at this web connection. It interacts with human intelligence, which is passed on the ground, financial intelligence, which helps in tracking money, and even signal intelligence for intercepting the communication. Think of it Osint as a central brain that connects all these different senses. We are going to explore how we can use the internet to perform same kind of intelligence work that agencies use to spend millions on. They often think of intelligence as the guy in the hoodies typing on laptops. But look at this aside, it's about the people. This is human intelligence. Even with all our tech, nothing beats looking someone in the eye or tricking them into trusting you. To do this need, we use skills like talent spotting, finding the right person to talk to, and emotional intelligence, knowing how to push their buttons. Have you ever heard convinced a friend to tell you a secret? That's basic human intelligence. Now imagine doing that to uncover a state of secret. Now pull out your phones. How many of you checked in somewhere today? Or use a hashtag? That is augment social media intelligence. We digital shadows everywhere we go by analyzing your user profile, who you tag in photos, network analysis, where you checked in, geolocation analysis, and we can predict uh, your next move. It's not a magic, it's just a connecting the dots you live behind. We use this to map relationship, who knows who and where they live. You ever use Google Earth to look at your childhood home? Now imagine doing that to track a ship moving elite cargo to spot a new military base being built in a desert. This is GEOID, the eye in the sky, geographical intelligence. We don't need to send a spy into a dangerous spot anymore. We can just look down from the space. We look for the patterns of life, like why are there suddenly 50 cracks at this warehouse at 2 am. The ground tells a story if you know how to read it. They say follow the money and they are right. Criminals can hide their faces, but they can't hide their spending. This is financial intelligence. Whether it's a drug cartel or a corrupt politician, they have to watch their dirty money to spend it. We call this the money laundering cycle. It contains a placement, layering, and integration. Our job is to find the paper trail, suspicious transaction reports of the bank accounts and tax payments. If you can track the rupees, you can catch the criminal. You have probably heard that the internet is like an iceberg. What you see on Google, that's just a tip of the surface web. Below that we are looking is having a bulky web with the sites like 4chan. Then we go deeper into deep web where the medical records and hacking groups live. And then the dark web. This is where things get serious. Illegal markets hide on encrypted networks that you can't access without special tools like Tor. As an analyst, we have to comfortable diving deep web into these phasing water, what find other havoc. Those used to be proof, not anymore with image intelligence and video intelligence. They analyze visual data, but we have a new enemy, the deepfake. Look at the face on the screen, it looks real, but it's mathematically generated. Criminals are now using soft puppets, fake people that look real to trick you. A deepfake video could frame an innocent person for a crime that they didn't commit ever. Our job is to use the tools to detect fake before they fool the world. If we can't see them or hear them, we listen the invisible waves that they make. This is SIGINT and MASIT. SIGINT stands for Signal Intelligence and MASIT stands for Mass Intelligence. Imagine a submarine hiding deep underwater. Use Osint acoustic intelligence, stays into specific sound of propeller or missile launching. We are use iron to see the heat from the engine we use capturing radar, laser, electronic jamming signal. This is invisible war. It's about detecting the enemy's capabilities and intentions without ever seeing them with the naked eye. And one of you loved the invisible wing as a kid. Stenography is the digital version of that. It's hiding a secret message inside a harmless picture of a cat or a song file. You can send a picture to your friend, to everyone else, it's just a cat, but your friend, it's a blueprint or a password. An analyst, we have to look for the anomalies like tiny statistical weirdness in the file that tells, hey, there is a something hidden inside this painting. Okay, enough theory for now. How do we actually do this? Make the GUI sign out. There are multiple tools like sci-fi movies interfaces. We have Maltable to throw a jack maps of criminal connection, Shogun to identify the hacked webcams and IoT devices, VBAC machine to see websites that were deleted years ago. There are a lot of tools we have to like explore further. These tools are like a point and trick that let you feel like a super spy without needing to write a single line of code. It's about the speed and visualization. In our advanced course, you will get a 600 plus tools with their specific tasks. Finally, for the taxi lane, we have the CLI output. This is the command line interface. No pretty buttons here, just to raw power. Tools like Nmap, Spider, Food let us automate the boring stuff. Instead of checking 1%, we can check for thousands in seconds. Using the command line also helps us to low signature, quick, invisible. Mastery of these tactics is what separates the hobbyist from the professional operator. Thank you for listening and happy ending. If you are interested to enroll in our advanced course, kindly contact Major Kali or Shreyash through LinkedIn and Telegram. Thank you.